Hi everyone, welcome back. Glad to have you back. And today it's going to be a very quick episode. It's going to be about the Yahboom Self balancing robot and particularly the battery, because the battery comes with two dongles connected to it, basically attached. And I'll explain what they're both for and how to use it. So stick with me. And again, very short episode. Let's see what this is all about. All right. So this is how you connect. So there's two dongles. One of them, the straight dongle, keep it inside the box. It's optional. It's not needed for charging. The 90-degree dongle, which is this one here, it connects to the board. And then you have the power adapter. So here is the power adapter. Basically, the power adapter. So how does it work? When the module is turned off, the power from the power adapter feeds the board, goes through the 90-degree connection that goes to the battery and charges the battery. So again, make sure that the machine is turned off. When the power is disconnected and the machine is turned on, you're going to have a light. And essentially, this dongle feeds the battery, feeds the board, sending electric direct current to the board and to the motors. That's pretty much it. That's how it works. Just an FYI, again, make sure it's turned off when you connect the charger. And on the charger, there is a light. That light is going to be red when the battery needs charging. So when it's a bit empty, when it's fully charged, it will turn green. So that's basically how you know. So that's how it works. Essentially, the manufacturer has provided two dongles. One is optional, which is the straight one. So you don't need to basically disconnect the battery compartment and just take out the battery and charge it separately every time, because you do have an inline charger that is directly connected to the board. And that charger works two ways with the circuits. Basically, when it's powered off, it will send power to the from the charger to the 90-degree connector and into the battery. And obviously, when you disconnect the charger, power it back on, the loop works the other way, and direct current goes from the battery into the board, providing the power. So hope that this helps and helps solve the confusion, just in case you might have been a little bit confused as to why there's two dongles with this particular machine. Do follow, because there's some great episodes coming up that I'm sure will be just amazing to watch. Hope that you might learn something, or if you are just curious. Basically, my channel is all about data, about electronics, robotics. I love all of that stuff. And especially Python programming. Some great things are coming up. So do subscribe. That way you can stay up to date with all the latest episodes. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.